Hi, it's Miss Parrott, and welcome to the AP Bio Words That Matter series. This is a series of short videos that's going to help us decode some of those super sassy science words that the AP Bio exam likes to use. So when we see these words, the question we need to ask ourselves as readers and students is, what kind of thinking is this word telling me to do? So over the next series of shorter weekend videos, we're going to be looking at 6 different skill sets broken down into 5-word videos each. And that way it's just like short and sweet. Today we're looking at skill set 1, which is interpreting data and evidence. These are words that you're going to see on questions that have data tables that ask you to read a graph or interpret results. So when AP Bio says the word observed, what you should hear in your mind and read is what is being actually measured or seen. So an example of a way you might see this on the AP exam is an increase in oxygen production was observed when light intensity increased. So what does that mean? We can hear in our mind an increase in oxygen production was measured or seen when light intensity went up. The next word is indicate. When it says data indicates or the results indicate, that means suggest. We don't use the word prove, but they suggest or give us evidence for, right? So an example would be, so say you had a graph with an optimum pH and the high point was at 7. You could say the data suggests that the optimum pH is 7, right? Because that was the highest point of enzyme activity on that graph. Next is relative to. When you see the words relative to on AP Bio, you should hear in your mind compared to a baseline. So cellular respiration rates increased relative to or compared to the control group. And the control group in this case, that's the baseline. And then another thing that you would see when you're looking at results would be correlate with. So to correlate with means to change together, but it does not necessarily indicate causation. So just because 2 things are correlated doesn't mean that one necessarily causes the other. That said, a way you could see this in an AP Bio scenario would be an increase in temperature was found to correlate with the increased reaction rate up to an optimum, right? So they correlate with one another. Similar, but not exactly the same, is associated with. Associated with means like linked, but again, not a confirmed causal relationship. An example would be high ATP production is associated with the increased availability of glucose, right? So it's not necessarily causal, but we see a relationship between those 2. So those are our first 5 words. You will see coming up soon another batch of words that go with skill set 1, interpreting data and evidence. And then we'll move on. There's 6 different skill sets that we're going to go through. And having these words in your pocket is really going to help you go from just like, I understand biology to I can do well on the AP Bio exam. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel to be sure that you get all the videos in the series. Leave a comment, a question, or an emoji down below. And teachers or students, you can check out my resources that I will be making soon to go along with this series at Teachers Pay Teachers. My store is Know and Grow with Gnomes. Keep knowing, keep growing, keep learning, and we'll see you next time.